everyone. So this week we've been talking about fractions, and I just wanted to go over some of the problems, the word problems that I put in your learning package. So the sheet looks like this. The first problem, I actually made a typo. It's supposed to say Miss Brianna bought a pizza that had 8 pieces. She ate 3 pieces, which I didn't include in this. I made a typo. So I ate 3 pieces. What fraction of pieces is left over? So that might be a little bit confusing, and I just want to show you what I mean. So I'm going to say I have 8 pieces here. This is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 pieces of pizza left. So remember, this pizza has 8 pieces, so that is going to be my bottom number. That's going to be my denominator, okay? Because it's telling me how many pieces of pizza I have. So my denominator is my bottom number. I have 8 pieces of pizza. I ate 3 pieces of pizza, okay? So I have 8 pieces of pizza right here. I've eaten 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So that's gonna be my numerator because I have 5 out of 8 pieces left over. So that's your answer to your first question. I'm going to do another example that's not on this sheet, but just so you understand. We're going to say that I have 4 pieces of candy. So these are my 4 pieces of candy. I started off with 4. These are my 4 pieces. So because I have 4 pieces of candy, this is going to be my bottom number, my denominator. So 4. 4 is also called quarters or fourths. So you could break this, if you had a pizza that's divided into 4 pieces like this, you could say it's divided into fourths or into quarters. So I have 4 pieces of candy, so my denominator is 4, and I'm gonna say that Danny came along and he ate 2 of my candies. So 2 of my candies are gone, and now I have 2 left over. So I have 2 out of 4 left over. So my fraction that I have left over is 2 out of 4. Remember that this is half, right? Because if we go 4 divided by 2, that's 2. And remember, if your answer is 2, that means it's half. It's also half because I have 4 and I have 2 and 2. So it's even on both sides. So that's how you do that those word problems. I also just wanted to give you another activity that you could do at home that I didn't include in your learning package. So I made my own fraction pizza. I did not make it with real pizza toppings. I wish I did. I just drew it. So this is my fraction pizza. So I have 8 pieces here. I have pepperoni on it. I have cheese on it, I have jalapenos on it, and I also have extra cheese on these 2 pieces. So my denominator is going to be 8 because remember I have 8 pieces of pizza. So that's going to be my bottom number. On my pizza, every single piece has cheese. So 8 out of 8 pieces have cheese. That means the whole pizza has cheese. So 8 out of 8 is 1 whole. Every single piece on my piece of pizza has cheese. For pepperoni, my bottom number is still going to be 8 because I have 8 pieces. Every single piece of pizza has pepperoni on it. So 8 out of 8 pieces have pepperoni. That means my whole pizza has pepperoni. 8 out of 8 is a whole because the whole thing is covered in pepperoni. Next is my jalapenos. So my denominator is still going to be 8, and I have 2 pieces that have jalapenos. So 2 out of 8 pieces here and here have jalapenos. This is not a whole because the whole thing does not have jalapenos on it, and it's also not half. Half of this would be 4 because half of 8 is 4. So I also have a couple pieces with extra cheese on them. So my denominator, my bottom number is still going to be 8. And I have 2 pieces with extra cheese on them. So 2 out of 8 pieces have extra cheese on them. I'm wondering if you could make your own pizza fraction at home. Maybe you could draw one like I did and tell me how many pieces have toppings on them. So just like I did, I said 8 out of 8 pieces have pepperoni, 8 out of 8 pieces have cheese, 2 out of 8 pieces have jalapenos, and 2 out of 8 pieces have extra cheese. So maybe you could draw one of your own pizzas too and tell me the fraction of toppings that are on each piece, just like I've done here. Maybe you could also make a different type of food. It doesn't have to be a pizza. It could be a cupcake. It could be anything really. If you are going to make a cupcake, maybe you could draw 2 cupcakes. So your bottom number would be 2, and then you would have toppings on each one, and you could tell me how many toppings are on each one. You could also even try to make a real pizza if that is something that you are able to do. But whatever you create at home, you can add on Google Classroom as a separate post. Okay, thanks guys, bye.